Hey guys, it's Ross Scotton on the Space Coach. One of my favourite TV shows of all time, as you probably know, is the reboot of Battlestar Galactica. It's absolutely fantastic. And towards the end, in fact in the final episode, Daybreak, there is an absolutely brilliant speech by the best character in that show, Gaius Baltar. And it shows his growth and evolution as a character from basically being a coward, weak, and complicit in the deaths of 50 billion people, to actually one of growth and evolution, having understood what is happening. And it's just after the truth of the Opera House vision has been revealed, but while the fate of humans and Cylons still hangs in the balance. And it's one of the best meditations I've heard on the nature of God. It's the I See Angels speech. Let's check it out.
Still alive! Get him the hell out of here! They got the girl. They've got the little girl! This makes it a lot easier. I just take the little girl, and I'm not here. Not a chance.
Harold, we won't let you take care of you. You know that.
I know nothing of the kind. I know I'm going to watch you chase your tails across the universe for another 40 years. That's not going to happen. This thing is the key to my people's survival, and I'm not leaving without it. Here is not a thing. She's a child. And she holds the key to humanity's survival as well. And how do you know that? I see angels. Angels in this very room. Now, I may be mad, but that doesn't mean that I'm not right. Because there's another force at work here. There always has been. It's undeniable. We've all experienced it. Everyone in this room has witnessed events that they can't fathom, let alone explain away by rational means. Puzzles, deciphered in prophecy. Dreams given to a chosen few. Our loved ones, dead. Listen. Whether we want to call that God or gods or some sublime inspiration or a divine force that we can't know or understand, doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It's here. It exists. And our two destinies are entwined in its force. If that were true, that's a big if. How do I know this force has our best interests in mind? How do you know that God is on your side, Doctor? I don't. God's not on any one side. God's a force of nature, beyond good and evil. Good and evil, we created those. You want to break the cycle? Break the cycle of birth, death, rebirth, destruction, escape, death. That's in our hands. And our hands only. Requires a leap of faith. Requires that we live in hope.
Oh.
No fear. If I leave you this girl, that means the destruction of my people. How does our extinction fit into this picture that you want us to believe in? We'll give you resurrection.
Saul.
You give us Hera, and we will give you resurrection. But the war ends here. You leave humanity in peace and give up the pursuit now and for all time. Agreed. How do we know we can take your word for it? You don't. Yep.
Ah.
Agreed. You leave humanity
Oh,
in
sorry.
peace and give up the pursuit now and for all time. Agreed.
How do we know we can take your word for it?
You don't. You have to make a leap of faith. It's your call, Bill. I'll back you either way.
I'm losing a lot of men out there.
I can do something about that right now. Give me that phone.
Patch them through.
Hello? Hello, it's me, Cavill. Stand down. All forces cease fire immediately. Galactica, hot dog. It's moving back. Repeat, it's moving back.
Everyone, stand down.
As good as my word.
Yes. One of the best speeches in that show, and it had so much great dialogue and quotable lines in there. Good and evil, we created those. A divine force or sublime inspiration that we can never know or understand. But yes, thoroughly enjoyable. I do enjoy listening to that speech. Gaius Baltar, fantastic character, definitely the best one in that. And very important words as well. You don't know that God's on your side. God isn't on anyone's side. God just is, if you believe in that sort of thing. But anyway, I thought I would share that with you, the climax of the human Cylon Civil War. Unfortunately, if you know that show, it almost ended out peacefully, but it didn't in the end. And there was still one final battle left to go. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this content. Leave me a comment suggestion for a upcoming topic you'd like to see discussed, or like the video.